Hi class, good afternoon. Now, we will have to tackle about the ICT pedagogies and integrations in language learning plan. Welcome to our class. This also the presentations outline. The presentations we have to compose the definition of ICT, characteristic of ICT, benefit of ICT, ICT tools and digital techniques, computer technology, wave-based learning, digital library, and EndNote. Definition of ICT. ICT is a generic terms referring to technologies which are being used for collecting, storing, editing, and passing of information in various forms. Year 1997. The Information and Communication Technologies Technology IT that defines as the study for the use of electronic equipment, especially the computer, for storing, analyzing, and sending out information. The Communication Technology or CT is the process of sending, receiving, and exchanging informations. Understood? ICT literacy. ICT literacy is basically involves using digital technology, communication tools, and or access, manage integration, evaluate, and create information in order to function in knowledge society. How to use the information technologies effectively. First, learners use computer-based and service to search and find relevant information. Learners retrieve relevant information. Learners decode information in variety of forms, as writing, statistical, graphic. Learners critically evaluate the information of different fields of knowledge. Information technologies. Learners can use the computer-based and service to write an analysis, present, and communicate information. The learner can use the information technologies to create a network of co-learners and to share, collaborative, and construct knowledge. ICT characteristic. We have two flow of the ICT characteristic. We have efficiency, the faster, the cheaper, the 5 step, less people, less paperwork. Then effectiveness. They're more integrative, favor error, customized, personalized, accreditable, transparent, researchable. The innovation, the new products, new technology. Then the information of ICT as a source of knowledge, as a sure medium of transit knowledge, as a means of interaction, dialogue. Computers are cognitive tools. The computer are for forming support system, PSS. Computer for multimedia, ways for obtaining large amount of information from websites. PowerPoint presentation. You know already the PowerPoint presentations that we have also you can use as now. PPT presentations can be incorporated with a variety of the different kinds of multimedia aspect. The image, the video, the audio, and animation. The PPT is neat and clean, and it allowed for portability of materials. The PPT is easy to professor for update, saving them time and energy. The computer multimedia application scanning media, right? Talking to experts, recording information, writing, producing, and composition, engaging research. Multimedia application in study learning. The students who use the multimedia tools are active learners. The students reflect this kind of task throughout their life. The students work collaboratively not only with one another but with researcher and teacher. The hypermedia tools. It consists of the database of information which can structure as nodes of frames. The link between the nodes allowed directed movement through the information and user interface. Benefit of hypermedia tools. Hypermedia help is exploring and large data base information. The hypermedia help in increasing and elaboration on core information. The hypermedias promote a rich learning. The interaction videos, just like in the screen, and we have to demands we have to move. The interactions of videos reflect the bodily or safe software that responds on certain choices and commands by the user. The typical system consists of the combination of compact disc, computer, and video technology. The interaction video. The video desk systems store video, pictures, still pictures, and sound of desks that the user can control with a video desk player. This system can provide the interaction capabilities and computers and the motion pictures capabilities of video. The video conferencing. The video conferencing is a method of performing interactions video communications over a regular high-speed internet connection. Since it was introduced, the communications technologies have improved exponentially. The computer simulation. A computer simulations attempt to reduce real-life situation. The simulation figures can combinations of text and graphics, use dialogue, and encourage or guide and the students choose a situation. The simulations also can bring about the higher order statistics of analysis skills. The computer-assisted tutorial. In ICT, we have also the educations for how to use this. The tutorial are one of the most common type of computer-assisted instruction. Tutorial are page turnings similar to textbooks. The one-on-one tutoring, the feedback provided by the tutorial can make it excellent tools for providing students knowledge. Way back for the wave-based learning. The learners researches website, collect information, and learn the lesson. Wave is available tools to help the students gain information without being on campus. It allows the greater autonomy of learning. The worldwide wave. The worldwide wave potentially provides a great flexibility in the distributions of learning resources and entering functions. The resources such as lectures, notes, reading, tutorial, and assignment can be received by the students both and off of campus. Internet on education. The internet consists of the large number of computers linked by national and informational telecommunications network. Each internet site contains information, text, image, audio, video, link, etc., which are accessible for individual work from this home computer. Other one, the properties of internet site. The internet site of increasing in the number of sophistications of contents. The internet provides information and text, graphic and audio and video. The internet allows a greater degree of interactively through real-time audio video transfers and chat, colored and animated graphic are most reader educational value. This is the online task they have to use in the generations, or in this time, one alone. Online database and journal or digital libraries. One-to-one collaborative assignment interviews. One-to-many online lectures or symposium. Many-to-many discussions group, debates, games, simulations, case study, brainstorming, and project groups. Digital library. The digital libraries is collections of textures, mineral, graphic, audio, and video data, stored in digital form, index and logically linked for erase of retrieval. Component of digital library: the texture data, numeric data, graphic data, photographs, audio data, and video data. Unique features of digital library: the safe storage and multimedia access of materials, ability to store varieties of data, access the information from anywhere in the world, then easy to search and reversal. This is a point of review. The student should be familiar with the basic concepts of ICT. You know already, we have some the students, we have to be familiar in the basic ICT information. The student should feel confident about the using ICT, using computer. The student should be familiar with the using computer to communicate. The student should be aware of the ICT changes job. Of course, the student can build and use robots to perform experiment. Exactly. The student should be able to computer and art. What's the best? The student should be able to computer and dance and music. The student should be able to use a computer to modeling and simulation. The student should be able to assemble statistical packet. The student should be able to use as suitable graphic tools. Thank you for that. I know class, you have something to learn about what is the pedagogies of ICT. I know you already have the familiars on how to use this. Thank you so much and have a good day, and see you tomorrow, and God bless. Bye.